To download an invoice for an order on Shopify, follow these steps. Log into Shopify. Access your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. Navigate to Orders. Go to the Orders section in your Shopify admin dashboard. Select Order. Locate the specific order for which you want to download the invoice. Click on the order number to view the order details. Generate invoice. In the Order Details page, scroll down to the Order Summary section. You should see an option to download the invoice. Click on the Download Invoice button or link provided. Choose Format. Shopify typically offers invoices in PDF format. Once you click to download, your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the invoice. Save the invoice. Confirm the download and save the invoice file to your desired location. Review and use. Open the downloaded PDF invoice to review its contents. You can print it or digitally share it with customers or for your records. Digital archive. It's recommended to keep a digital archive of invoices for record-keeping purposes. You can store them securely on your computer or cloud storage.